When giving a presentation that is old or something that I've not done in quite some time, these things become rusty, worse off at it than when I was freshly doing that action. In addition to this, when I wish to communicate information and realizations I have had in the more distant past to someone who is now just becoming interested in learning about it or needing to learn about it now, I find the passion I had to explain these things are often not as intense as they were when I was discovering and freshly presenting them. I believe this is the case because this information has lost its new luster that it once had to me. However, I would hate for someone to not be able to get the information they are seeking because it is not brand new, interesting information to me. Hence, I have realized that there is benefit in recording realizations when they are new to an individual. This allows the initial passion of discovery to be encapsulated and fixed for anyone else that may be interested in the future. Applying this reasoning to this video, my discovery is that recording content allows the information communicated to be passed on to those who it will be shared with for the indefinite future, and as such, I am recording this video while I am excited to discuss the topic so that the information can be passed on and preserved well for the future.